Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share Amazon wishlist with other on Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open your Amazon app on your device. Well, and then here you can click profile icon at the bottom. And then you can select your list here. Okay, after that, press on shopping list option. And then here you can click invite. Well, after that, here you can select one of two options. But if you want to let your friend to view and edit your list, you can select last one. Okay, and then share link to your friend by selecting one of several methods here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to share Amazon wishlist with others on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.